In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Klaviyo. Sending a test email is a simple but important step before you launch any campaign. It lets you see exactly what your subscribers will see, so you can double-check your design, links, and personalization. In this walkthrough, we'll start right from the Klaviyo home dashboard and go through the process together. First, from your Klaviyo home dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the main navigation menu. In that menu, click on Campaigns. This will take you to a list of all your existing campaigns, including any that are in draft, scheduled, or already sent. Next, from the list of campaigns, find the specific campaign you're working on and click directly on its name. That name is actually a link that opens the detailed view for that campaign. This is where you can adjust settings, audiences, and of course, the content of the email itself. Once the campaign page is open, look toward the bottom right of the screen for a button labeled Continue to Content. Go ahead and click that. This moves you into the section where you manage the actual email design and copy, which is exactly where we need to be to send a test. Now that you're in the Content section, find the button that says Edit Email and click it. This will open Klaviyo's visual email editor. Here, you'll see your email layout, images, text blocks, and any buttons or sections you've added. Before sending a test, it's a good idea to do a quick scan to make sure everything looks roughly how you expect. When you're ready to send your test, look to the top right corner of the editor and click on Preview and Test. This opens a panel where you can either preview the email in the browser, view it in different device sizes, or send a test email to yourself. In the Preview and Test panel, find the field labeled Send To. Click into that box and type in the email address you want to receive the test. It's usually best to send it to your own inbox first, and if possible, test on more than one email provider or device. Once you've entered the address, click Send Test. After a few moments, check your inbox. Open the test email and review it carefully. Confirm the subject line, preview text, images, links, and any personalization tags. If you spot anything that needs changing, go back into the editor, make your adjustments, and repeat the test until everything looks perfect.